got a slightly different one for you today. This is our fan, and I thought I'd give it a bit of a clean, but I've got no idea how to do it. So let's see if we can do this one together. So this is a Meaco. It's a sort of revolving up and down, all singing, all dancing fan. And I really have no idea how to get in here, but it is pretty dirty. So I'm just gonna see if I can work out how to take things apart. Oh, okay, so that comes out. But I don't know if it's going to help us at all, apart from I can see potentially being able to get in there. So I don't think we're going to actually need to take that off as such. So we can put that back like that. I did notice there's some clips on the side here that I can push in, but I don't know again if they release it or not. So let's try and do that to get this. Ah, looks like they do. So we've got two there. So we've got two down the bottom here and two up the top. So let's stand it up and release the top ones just by So we'll press the two top ones in, see if we can release the top, if that comes out at all. There, okay, so first of all there's two screws here, so let's see if we can get those out. I think they need to come off, I'm not entirely sure. But I don't want to drop them, so I'm going to use my little magnet on there. There's little self-tappers. So those two. Now let's stand it up. Release these. Ah, yes. So they are holding that in place. That's the top two released. And now the bottom two clips. There we go. There we go. So that's that out. Let's just move that to one side for a minute. So inside is pretty grubby and filthy. Sorry about the camera flicker. So I'm just going to take my trusty brush and go and give this a clean. Okay, so that's nice and clean. Let's just take a antibacterial wipe. Just give it a wipe round the inside. It's actually quite clean. I say it's actually quite clean, but there's quite a lot of crud that's come off there. So we'll just give this another wipe down. And then I've got a little microfiber cloth I can clean around the inside, dry that off. But this is looking much better. All the dust has gone off there. So let's take that, put that to one side, and then we can have a look at the fan itself. So all I'm going to do on this one is on the blades of the fan, I'm just going to clean off the edge all the way around and round that to get all that off. And again on this one, just do the edges to start with. Like that. then I'm actually going to get a bit proper clean on the blades and also the centre hub part, if that's what you call it. So that's the front's done, and then do the back as well. Okay, and again, I'm going to take the microfiber cloth just to give that a clean and a wipe. Okay, now for the rest of the dust in there, I'm not actually going to touch that, but what I am going to do is, I bought this quite a while ago, this jet blower, which is pretty good. So I'm going to pop that on there, and then I'm going to take this outside and give it a blow around and then bring that back. Okay, now all I'm going to do is just literally give everywhere a bit of a wipe down. The only place that was a bit tricky to get into in here is just inside here, these arms, and then there's a metal bar that goes across the center. So I have not wiped that at all. All I've done is just literally blown it with the air duster, but I am just going to use one of these just to take off all the crud from these. It feels like there's a bit of grease on there, so probably from the movement. But literally, that's pretty much all you can do to clean it. I'll give this a wipe round on the inside of here. And then just here, I'm going to take the edge of this just to feed that in there and give that a wipe through, like that. And also give it a little bit of a wipe round inside here. Okay, and that's it. So now we can take the front of this. I'm going to just take another wipe, give it a wipe around the outside, which I didn't do before. There we are. And then we take this and just line up the clips again, so it all clips in together. And then we take our two little self-tapping screws which go back into here, being careful not to drop it. So how long have we had this fan? Well, I think we've had it for around 3 years now. This is the first time I've cleaned it, but at night time, if it's on all night, we just leave it on number 2. It runs on fan speed 2, and it will happily run all night. I'm not sure giving it a clean is going to extend the life of it, but it certainly looks much better than it did before. And then I'm going to take my brush just to run around the edge of this, which is the base that sits, so the base stays and the rest of it rotates around it. There we go. And then the nice thing about this, it's got a remote control that's got a light function on it, so you can actually turn, well, if you've set it all, you can turn the lights off so it keeps you in the dark. So that's all there was to that video. It was a nice easy one. If you've got one of these, then a bit of routine maintenance doesn't go amiss. All right. If you found that useful, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.